Students, welcome to class 4. Let us continue the world around. After they had met everyone, Nita auntie unpacked their bags. She brought gift for everyone. She gave dates to everybody. It was very sweet. Pearl showed some currency note and coins. Hansi explained the money used in the Abu Dhabi is called dirham. It had some writing in their local Arabic languages. They showed many photograph place where they lived. Arvind uncle gave Zil a globe. He said, Zil, why don't you find Abu Dhabi on this globe? And where is Gujarat? The children enjoyed playing with the globe and looking for a different place on the globe. Jill found Delhi and Junagadh also. In the evening, everyone sat in the veranda enjoying the breeze and looking at the photographs. They saw that Abu Dhabi buildings were tall, many stories, big glass window. Students, their buildings were very big because many students have to accommodate it. Jill said, You must be getting nice cool breeze through these big windows. Arvind uncle said, We cannot open the windows because of it. Air condition in the whole houses. As the weather is very hot, people wear loose cotton clothes and they keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is also covered. They protect from the strong heat of the sun. You can see in the picture the Arabic dress is worn by one Arabian person. Jill enjoyed the looking the pictures, finding out about their countries from their cousin. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things that they had described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. You can also make small report comparing Abu Dhabi with the place where you live. You can use some of these points mentioned below while writing the reports. Then here there are some currency notes given here, and I have sent the PDF regarding it, what is given here. The coins also given here. We can observe them, match them head to tails. Then here England, India, China and different countries currency notes are given, and regarding that I have sent a one proper PDF to you, which is given here. In a sideways you can see the coins. Dear students, it is a good habit to collect the coins and keep it with you time to time. That also you can do it at home. The numbers are printed on the currency note because the notes can be duplicated. We can see that these notes are not proper way. The numbers are printed, it is a wrong one. It is only for the showing purpose. Dear students, we can make a one philately about this postal stamp and currency notes also. Slowly your interest will develop. You can collect more and more currency of the different countries, and then you can make this properly a one systematic collection after many years. This habit is very good for you. Being as a students, you can develop it. In a sideways some coins are also given. You can see the picture of it. Indian currency and foreign currencies coin also given there. In Indian currencies coin, Ashok Chakra will be there, and it is written Satyamev Jayate. It is very commonly collected in the all coins regarding 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 50 paisa, 10 rupee coin. And some grandparents have an old collection of coins also. That also you can make it whenever you wish. So this is a one good habit, that you have to identify the coins, what is written on them and how it is used in the currency point. There are some questions regarding this, that also I have sent you earlier in time. That also you can do it. This is our Indian currency. 500, 100, 10 and 5 rupees note is given, and whatever language is given and Reserve Bank of India is publishing, that is also explained by me properly In our next session, we will talk about the new lesson of the revision. Till then, I remain. Thank you.